Welcome to the AI Circuit Loop, the place where you can stay on top of the latest news in the world of AI in games, VFX, animation, and tech. I'm your host, Carlo Sansonetti. I continue to test this AI-generated clone of my voice in this episode, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today as we dive into the ever-evolving universe of artificial intelligence. This episode is proudly brought to you by cgcircuit.com, the innovative platform where creatives like you can create a store to publish video tutorials and digital assets tailored for the animation, visual effects, and gaming community. If you're looking to share your expertise or harness new skills, cgcircuit.com is the perfect community for you. Before we delve into this week's news, here's a fascinating nugget of AI knowledge. Did you know that generative AI models like GPT-3, which powers conversational AI tools, can understand and generate text in over 20 different languages? They achieve this impressive feat by learning patterns in large data sets, enabling them to create coherent sentences that adapt to various linguistic contexts. An exciting glimpse into how AI is bridging communication barriers. Now let's jump into the latest updates and breakthroughs shaping the realms of AI, visual storytelling, and technological innovation. We've got an article from Deadline written by Katie Campione titled WGA Slams Studios for Not Protecting Copyrighted Works Used in Generative AI Training Models. Come off the sidelines. The piece dives into the Writers Guild of America's frustration with major Hollywood studios like Netflix, Disney, and Universal, accusing them of harming their members by neglecting to protect copyrighted works used for training AI models. A letter from the Guild points fingers at tech giants like Meta and Apple, claiming they've looted studio intellectual property created by union labor to train their AI systems, while studios have stood by passively. Now, here's my take. I get the WGA's stance. AI training without consent feels like a clear undermining of artists' rights. But I can't help thinking about the bigger picture, like the global race in AI, particularly with competitors like China. AI is pivotal, and whoever leads in AI might lead economically and politically and maybe even militarily. Sure, protecting creative rights is crucial, but we also have to consider that a delay in AI progress due to litigations could impact America's standing in tech leadership. Balancing these issues is complex, to say the least. Next, let's dive into Richard Yao's insightful article from the IPG Media Lab titled 2024 Innovation Trend Recap, a deployment year for multimodal AI and mixed reality. As the year winds down, it's fascinating to look back at how AI and mixed reality have shaped 2024. Yao discusses AI's uneven progress, highlighting the rise of multimodal applications alongside some missteps with wearables. Interestingly, Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses have been a standout, and with more AI features on the way, I'm curious about what this means for consumer tech. Additionally, OpenAI's ChatGPT hitting 300 million users is a testament to AI's accelerating adoption. With AI tools becoming more embedded in our daily lives, it's not just about tech novelty anymore, it's about operational efficiency and ethical considerations. In mixed reality, Apple's Vision Pro's potential for productivity apps could be a game changer. Meanwhile, the search landscape is evolving too, driven by AI-driven results and younger audiences favoring social media over traditional search engines. Reflecting on these trends, I'm both overwhelmed and thrilled. The rapid changes in AI and technology feel like living in the future, and it's exciting to see how it will continue to shape our world, especially in sectors like gaming and marketing. Next, an intriguing piece from TechCrunch by Kyle Wiggers titled "It Sure Looks Like OpenAI Trained Sora on Game Content, and Legal Experts Say That Could Be a Problem." The article suggests that OpenAI's video-generating AI Sora might have been trained on game content from Twitch streams and walkthroughs. Now, OpenAI hasn't been too transparent about the data sources for Sora, but it's been hinted that Minecraft videos were part of the mix. It's fascinating how Sora can generate videos resembling various game styles, even closely mimicking popular Twitch streamers like Pokimane and Auronplay. Yet, there's a legal storm brewing. IP experts like Joshua Weigensberg warn that training on unlicensed video game footage could be risky, given the many layers of copyright, from the game developer to user-generated content. This really makes you think about the age-old debate of inspiration versus infringement. In a way, isn't this similar to how artists draw inspiration from existing works? It's just that, in this digital age, AI seems to blur the lines even further. In an insightful piece by Andrew Cornell, published in Capital Brief, titled "Generative AI is a game changer for Australian banks still relying on ancient code," we delve into how generative AI is transforming the banking sector. Cornell points out the surprising utility of AI not just for flashy innovations, but in the essential renovations of legacy systems. Many banks grapple with technology that's sailing toward its 50th anniversary, and generative AI is stepping in to modernize these aging platforms. McKinsey & Co. refers to these outdated systems as a massive anchor, hindering business agility. Now, I've always felt that banks lag in tech innovation, so it's refreshing, to say the least, to hear that some are leveraging AI to finally join the 21st century. What's particularly interesting is that AI offers these banks a chance for a smoother transition into modern technology without the usual massive disruptions. This kind of evolution is not just about survival, it's about thriving in a digital age. Thanks for tuning in to today's AI Circuit Loop News Roundup. If you found this episode helpful and want to stay updated on the latest in AI, make sure to subscribe to the show and leave a positive review. Also, let me know in the comments what AI story caught your attention today. See you next time.